Hello everybody. Today I just got home. Basically stayed a night at my aunt's house, but earlier today I've noticed that my ceiling fan light is stuck on, right? Well, you wanna know why? Watch this. I'm pushing every single button and it is not working. None of the buttons work, and the battery's in good shape. There's nothing wrong with the battery, and I still can't get it to work. I tried turning the switch on and off. Yeah, I wonder if this happened from a power outage that we had from that big storm yesterday. If you don't know how I can fix this problem, please tell me in the comments, because I really don't want to have to replace the whole entire receiver just for that reason. But as I watched in the video, a couple of videos, some say that you gotta change the dip switch code. So I guess that's what I'll probably do, cause yeah, I can't get it to work. So yep, anyways, that's it. Bye bye.